बच्चों, again I am here with the topic triangles. In the previous video I told you about the criteria of the similarity. Now in this video I will tell you about the area theorem. All of you are enjoying this chapter? Enjoying? I think this is a very easy chapter. Okay, now what is an area theorem? Area theorem, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. If we are discussing about area theorem, for this triangle similar, two triangles should be similar. Here the triangle we are having ABC and PQR. If you want to apply area theorem, triangles must be similar. And if the triangles are similar, we can apply area theorem. Then by areas of these two triangles, area of ABC upon area of PQR is equal to the square of the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. एरिया का जो रेशियो होता है वो उनकी कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स के रेशियो के स्क्वायर के इक्वल होता है. कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स आर ए बी अपॉन पी क्यू, बी सी अपॉन क्यू आर, ए सी अपॉन पी आर. ओके, बाय एरिया थ्योरम इफ वी आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई, ट्राइंगल शुड बी सिमिलर, एंड इफ द ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर, the ratio of their area is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. This theorem is known as area theorem. लेकिन area theorem अप्लाई करने के लिए पहली चीज क्या होनी चाहिए? If you want to apply area theorem, the very first thing is triangles should be similar. Clear, students? Okay, then only you can apply area theorem. Suppose we are having a question, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 cm, 21 cm square. EF is 15.4 cm, find BC. Here the triangles are similar and area is given, so you can apply area theorem over here. By area theorem, area of ABC upon area of DEF equals to, it is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides, and the corresponding sides are BC and EF. Okay students, area is 64 and it is 121. BC we have to find and EF is 15.4 square. When we are removing square from this side, we have to take square root. Okay, square root of 64 is 8 and 121 is 11. The value of BC is 15.4 into 8 upon 11. Now you can 11 1 ja, 11 4 ja. BC is 11.2 centimeter. Okay students, got this thing? In this series, our next question is, in figure ABC and DBC are two triangles. देखो दो triangles हैं, ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. ABC और BDC दो ट्राइंगल है हमारे पास on the same base BC. If AD intersects AC, if AD at O, कहाँ intersect किया है? O point पर. Show that area of ABC, area of DBC equals to AO upon DO. Students, you observe in this question triangles are not similar. The triangles are not similar, so directly we cannot apply area theorem in this question. All, let us do construction of Draw perpendiculars AN and DM. Draw AN perpendicular to BC and DM perpendicular to BC. Okay. Now we can prove that these two triangles are similar. The triangle AON and triangle DOM. We can prove that these two triangles are similar. It is angle 1, it is angle 2. Angle 1 equals to angle 2, each 90 degree. And the second condition is angle 3 equals to angle 4, vertically opposite angles. Clear, students? Therefore, triangle AON is similar to triangle DOM. By which similarity? AA similarity. कौन सा similarity लगी? AA similarity. By AA similarity. Now it is AO upon DO equals to AN upon DM. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Clear, students? Now area of triangle क्या होता है? Half into base into height. It is area of ABC upon area of DBC. Half into base. Base is BC. Height is AN. Half into base. Base is BC. BC दोनों के लिए बेस है हमारे पास, DBC के लिए भी और ABC के लिए भी. Half into BC into DM. Here you can cancel out this by this. It is equals to AN upon DM. और AN upon DM किसके इक्वल है बच्चों? Therefore area of ABC upon area of DBC किसके इक्वल होगा बेटे? AN upon DM के. और AN upon DM किसके इक्वल है? is equals to AO upon DO. From equation 1. Got this thing, students? I hope all of you got this question. And now the next question is, if the area of two similar triangles are similar, prove that they are congruent. हमें prove करना है कि triangles कैसे हैं, congruent हैं. Suppose we are having two triangles ABC and DEF. हमारे पास दो triangle हैं ABC और DEF. दोनों triangles कैसे हैं? Both the triangles are similar. Because triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Therefore, by area theorem, you can apply area theorem. What is area theorem? Area of ABC upon area of DEF equals to AB upon DE whole square. What is area theorem? The ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. AB upon DE whole square equals to BC upon EF whole square equals to AC upon DF whole square. ठीक है, दोनों का एरिया कैसा है? इक्वल है. That areas are equal. Area of ABC upon area of ABC. DEF का एरिया किसके इक्वल है? एरिया ऑफ ABC के इक्वल है. AB upon DE whole square equals to BC upon EF whole square equals to AC upon DF whole square. क्यों? Because area of ABC equals to area of DEF. It is given to you in the question. Okay, it is given to you. It is 1. 1 equals to AB upon DE whole square equals to BC upon EF whole square equals to AC upon DF whole square. Clear? Now 1 equals to AB upon DE whole square, 1 equals to BC upon EF whole square, 1 equals to AC upon DF whole square. Clear, students? Therefore 1 equals to AB upon DE, 1 equals to BC upon EF, 1 equals टू AC अपॉन DF. तो AB किसके इक्वल हुआ बेटे? DE के. BC किसके इक्वल हुआ? EF के. AC किसके इक्वल हुआ? DF के. And now you can easily prove that the triangles are congruent. और triangles कैसे congruent prove करेंगे? By SSS congruency. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB equals to DE, BC equals to EF, AC equals to DF, all are proved above. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by SSS congruency. Clear, students? It's an important question of this exercise. In this series, the next question is prove that area of the equilateral triangle described on one side of a square is equal to half the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonal. देखो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ. Suppose we are having a square ABCD. ABCD. The sides of the square are equal. Let the side be A. It is also A. It is also A. It is also A. Clear, students? Area of the equilateral one side of a square. Suppose we are going to describe an equilateral triangle BCE. On its sides, स्क्वायर की एक साइड पर हमने क्या बना दिया? इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. वी हैड डिस्क्राइब्ड एन इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल ऑन वन साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर, so its dimension are also A. Clear? Now they are saying is equal to half the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonal. एक और इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल बनाया जो इसके डायगोनल पर डिस्क्राइब हुआ है. डायगोनल पर डिस्क्राइब हुआ मतलब डायगोनल ऑफ स्क्वायर का क्या फॉर्मूला होता है? साइड रूट 2. डायगोनल ऑफ स्क्वायर क्या होता है? साइड रूट 2. रूट 2, इट इज ऑल्सो a रूट 2, a रूट 2. ओके, नाउ सी व्हाट वी हैव टू डू. हमें इस क्वेश्चन में प्रूव क्या करना है? दे आर सेइंग एरिया ऑफ द इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. Area of the equilateral triangle described on one side of the square, that is BCE. Area of BCE is equal to half the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its sides of its diagonal, that it is ACF. Half of area of ACF. मतलब आपको क्या प्रूव करना है? BCE, area of BCE upon area of ACF equals to 1/2. देखो, लेट साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर बी A सेंटीमीटर. लेट द डायगोनल ऑफ स्क्वायर कितना होगा? A रूट 2 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ एरिया ऑफ BCE अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ACF फाइंड कीजिए. एरिया ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल होता है बेटे रूट 3/4 इंटू साइड स्क्वायर. साइड ऑफ दिस इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल इज A स्क्वायर एंड साइड ऑफ दिस इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल इज A रूट 2 स्क्वायर. You can cancel out this by this. Therefore, area of BCE upon area of ACF equals to a square अपॉन 2a स्क्वायर, a स्क्वायर से a स्क्वायर कैंसिल कर दीजिए, एरिया ऑफ BCE अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ACF इक्वल्स टू 1/2. Clear? And this thing we have to prove. Area of BCE equals to 1/2 area of ACF. This we have to prove. Okay. Now I think all of you got area theorem. Thank you, students. Okay, in the next video I'll tell you Pythagoras theorem.